Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Engineer Waqas Abdul Salam. I belong to Lahore. I am serving as Assistant Director Electrical in Government Center of Excellence for Training and Development GSTC Mughalpura, Lahore. I have joined TAPTA in November 2016 as a principal. I have served there for a period of about 7.5 years. My key responsibilities were administrative, financial, and monitoring of academic activities. In addition to that, I was the master trainer of digitized monitoring and evaluation software, which was introduced in TAPTA in 2019 and 20. I was the master trainer of this software, and I have implemented this software into my institute and the technical institutes of the four districts of Punjab. After that, I have transferred to R&D Research and Development Section, TAPTA Secretariat Lahore. Here, my key responsibilities were conduct of primary and secondary research for the establishment of new institution, for the upgradation of the existing institution, at the improvement of the courses, gap analysis of TAE courses, TNA training need assessments of the courses. I served here as an assistant director. I served there for a period of about 6 months. After that, I transferred to Government Center of Excellence for Training and Development, GSTC Mughalpura, Lahore, as an assistant director. Here I became the master trainer or lead trainer of the trainings. The major trainings like skill upgradation trainings, GIZ overseas returnee trainings of solar PV system technician trade are conducted here. In addition to that, industrial trainings in summer were also conducted here. And I am the master trainer of solar PV system technician trade, electrical trade, electrician trade, and renewable energy resources trade. In addition to that, I have assigned the task of international accreditation, and I have completed it. And all the tasks which were assigned to me, I have tried my best to complete it on time. So it is the brief introduction of my job career. Now I want to introduce my academic career. Basically, I am electrical engineer. I have completed my BSc Electrical Engineering degree in 2012 from Punjab University, Lahore. After that, I enrolled in MS Electrical Engineering program, and I have completed my MS Electrical Engineering degree in 2015-16 batch, and I got first position in the Department of Electrical Engineering of the university. After that, I enrolled in a PhD Electrical Engineering program, and currently I am the research scholar in the field of electrical engineering. So, what I have learned from my education, I have tried my best to implement it onto my job. My prime objective is to polish the skill of trainees as per the demands of industry. The industrial skills are growing so rapidly, but our curriculum and our students stuck on a point, and its progress is very slow. So our task is to make synchronization with the industrial pace and to introduce our products like our trainees into the industry. So I have recently joined artificial intelligence chapter teachers training program, which is being conducted by the collaboration of Rehan Foundation and TAPTA, and I have assigned a task to present a review presentation on a TEDx talk by the Anant Agarwal. So let's move to the task. Basically, the title of the TEDx talk is the review of Anand Agarwal's TED Talk, and its subtitle is Why Massive Open Online Courses Still Matters. It was presented in 2013. The talk explores how technology is transforming education. It is delivered by Anand Agarwal, CEO of EDX and MIT professor, focuses on the role of MOOCs, means massive open online courses, emphasizes democratizing access to high quality education globally. It advocates for technology driven learning, show how MOOCs make education flexible and accessible. It highlights innovation in teaching methods using digital tools, and it inspires institutions to embrace online learning platforms. The key concepts introduced here are MOOCs, online courses open to anyone worldwide, and blended learning, mixing online tools with classroom teaching, and active learning, students learn by doing, not just by listening, and global classrooms, learning without geographical barriers. So problems in traditional education is that limited seating and physical space, high cost of quality education, inaccessible for students from remote or underprivileged areas, one-size-fits-all teaching approaches. So solutions offered by MOOCs are that free or low-cost high-quality learning, courses from world-ranked universities like MIT, Harvard, etc. Millions of learners can join from anywhere. Self-paced learning, students learn at their own speed. Interactive tools, simulations, virtual labs, instant feedback. So examples from talk are that Agarwal shares how a circuit course reached 1,55,000 students worldwide. Compares this to the limited capacity of a normal classroom. Demonstrate real-time grading system and online lab. It shows students' engagement through forum and discussion. Its impact on global education is that students from developing countries gain access to world-class education. It enhances teacher performance through blended learning models. It enables lifelong learning and continuous skill development. It bridges the gap between industry demands and student skills. So the strengths of the talk are that clear and engaging delivery, real examples backed by data, inspiring vision for the future of education. It shows technology as a tool for equality, not replacement. So high dropout rates, its limitations, major limitations is that high dropout rates and learning discipline required, digital divide, internet access issues still evolving, not a complete replacement for traditional education. Overall education of means a powerful talk that highlights the revolution in online learning. It successfully explains the value and future of MOOCs, inspires both learner educators and educators to adopt technology relevant in today's digital post-pandemic education landscape. So technology is reshaping education at all levels. MOOCs democratize opportunities for millions worldwide. Future education will be hybrid, combining online plus in-person. Agarwal's talk remains highly relevant and forward-thinking. So the key takeaways are that education should be accessible, flexible, and affordable. MOOCs empower learners globally. We are moving toward personalized, data-driven learning. Technology is a catalyst for educational transfer. mission. So, my point of view is that Anant Agarwal's TEDx highlights a powerful reality. Technology is no longer an optional addition to education, it is necessary. MOOCs have opened doors for millions of learners who could never access top quality education. Before, I believe this approach will continue to reshape the future of learning, making education more flexible, affordable, and globally connected. My point of view, the talk effectively demonstrates how online platforms like MOOCs are breaking traditional barriers in education. I believe technology should be used as a tool to empower, not replace, teachers and students. The examples Agarwal provides, reaching thousands of learners at once, providing instant feedback, and allowing self paced learning, show how digital education can truly make learning more engaging and accessible. However, I also think that online learning is alone is not perfect. Issues like internet access, self-discipline, and motivation must be addressed. Therefore, a blended model where online learning supports classroom teaching is the most balanced and effective approach. In my view, this TEDx talk proves that online education is transformative force. MOCCs expand opportunities, promote active learning, and make high-quality education available to everyone. In my point of view, this talk is inspiring because it shows how technology can create equal opportunity for students regardless of their background. It reminds us that education is not limited to classroom, it can reach at every corner of the world. So, it was my point of view of about this TEDx talk. And for me, this TEDx talk is very important, and it has very sound idea in it. It highlights the importance as well as the limitations of online education system, and explores that in future we should have to rely upon the online system as well as the in-person teaching methods. It means the hybrid model. So it is very useful model. And by concluding, I say goodbye to you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.